All right guys, what's going on? So in this video, we're doing an extremely simple pulled chicken recipe. It's gonna be super easy. We're gonna take some chicken, we're gonna braise it in Frank's Red Hot, and we're gonna shred it up, make some badass little sandwiches out of it. It's gonna taste great. Stick around guys, check it out. Here we go. All right, first thing you wanna do is get yourself a little foil pan right here. So I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You could use chicken breasts if you wanna use them, but if you want more flavor, I would recommend using some chicken thighs. I'm leaving the fat on. Not doing anything to these. Laying them out flat in the pan. And this is literally one of the easiest things you're ever gonna make. There's really no prep to it. I'm gonna use just a little bit of this SPG by Suckle Busters. Just gonna get a good coating over it. Not too much, but just enough to kind of mix it around a little bit. All I'm gonna do is put 1 stick of butter going in, and use as much Frank's Red Hot as you need to use. I got this little mini jug right here. What the fuck? Why would they make these freaking lids impossible to open, dude? Now all I'm gonna do is just pour it over, just enough to cover all the chicken. Just like that. Now I got the pellet cooker going at 300 degrees. If for whatever reason you don't have a grill or a pellet cooker or smoker or anything like that, just put a cover on it, put some foil on it, and put it in a 300 degree oven, cook it till it's tender, and you're gonna be done after that. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit here and braise in the Frank's Red Hot and leave it uncovered because I wanna get a little bit of smoke on there. If I find that it reduces a little bit too much, I'll add a little bit more Frank's Red Hot. I'm gonna check back in about an hour. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so whenever you're making anything in a buffalo style type of thing, you know, buffalo wings or whatever, you need some ranch or some blue cheese. I got some gorgonzola right here. I know there's a lot of blue cheese haters out there, so just replace this with ranch. But I'm just gonna eyeball this. I'm going equal parts sour cream. I'm using some Kewpie mayo. This is Japanese mayonnaise right here. Use Duke's if you like that, or whatever your favorite mayonnaise is. I'm just using this because it has a little bit of a tang to it, and I don't have any buttermilk or whole milk on hand. So, about equal parts. Just mix it up. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that salt, pepper, garlic. And what I have here is some funky ass gorgonzola dolce. Some freaking blue cheese. Just taking off the edges right here. All I'm gonna do is just roughly chop it up. I mean, it's super soft how it is, so. Just gonna kind of crumble it in there. Actually mush it in there. It doesn't even crumble up, but it's okay. And if you did want this a little thinner, I mean, that's the consistency of it right there. It's pretty thick. I want it thick for the sandwich, but if you wanted it a little thinner, get some buttermilk or some whole milk. Just thin it out, but this is looking pretty good. Also, to go on this sandwich, I got some pickled carrots right here. You can do pickled celery and carrots. I just want to stick with just the carrots. All I did was get a speed peeler, shave these down really good. Got equal parts water and white vinegar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and some pickling spices. Pour it over the top, let it sit overnight, and you have some pickled carrots right there. I'll put the exact ingredients down below if you want to actually check it out and make some pickled stuff. So check it out. All right, guys. So after an hour and a half on the smoker at 300 degrees, got this super tender cooked chicken. Smells freaking awesome. So I got these glove liners on. So I'm just gonna go through and just shred all this up. Now all you gotta do is make a sandwich and that's it. is, guys, the pulled buffalo chicken sandwich. One of the easiest things you're ever gonna make. Damn. Super sloppy, super delicious. That's the perfect thing to do if you got a lot of people coming over. You just get a big pan, throw a bunch of chicken in there, throw the butter, throw the Frank's Red Hot, put it on the smoker. An hour and a half later, got a bunch of food. You're gonna feed a lot of people. Pickled carrots are really good. The homemade blue cheese. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please share the video if you like the content. Like and subscribe. Peace out. Thank you.